Here in this video, I'll detail how to mark Apple Watch as lost. So if you have an Apple Watch and you couldn't find it, or it's lost, or someone forcefully take it away from you, then you can render the Apple Watch useless by marking it as lost. So here, I'm going to show you how you can easily mark your Apple Watch as lost on your iPhone. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, the first thing to do is open the Find Me application on your iPhone. Then once you open the Find Me application, click on Devices. Then once you tap that, you'll see a list of Apple devices you have connected to the same iCloud account here. Then go ahead and click on the name of your Apple Watch. Now once you selected the Apple Watch, let's say this is your Apple Watch. I have my Apple Watch here, and you should see the Apple Watch on the map like this. Now to mark this Apple Watch as lost, all you just need to do is scroll down the information page here. Then you should see mark as lost. Click on Activate. Then here you'll be prompted that this Apple Watch is going to be marked as lost. That's under lost mode. You should see lost mode, activation log. This watch is linked to your Apple ID account, so no one else can use it. Then it requires passcode, and Apple Watch is protected. You can also leave a message and even notify when the Apple Watch is found. Then to mark your Apple Watch as lost, all you just need to do is scroll down and click on Continue. Once you tap the Continue button, you may want to type your phone number, type it, click on Next. Then if you have any message, type it and click on Next again. Then, do you want to receive email notifications when your Apple Watch is found? You may turn on receive email update. Then after that, go ahead and tap the activate button at top right. Then once you tap activate, when go for your iPhone to mark your Apple Watch as lost. Then if you go to your Apple Watch like this, you'll be prompted to type in the passcode. So if you type in incorrect passcode, then this person will not be able to use the Apple Watch. So even if the person try to format it, this person will be locked out with activation log on your iPhone because you've activated mark as lost on your Apple Watch, and that is to tell you that it's currently lost and no one will be able to use it until it is returned back to the owner. So that is basically how to activate lost mode on your Apple Watch. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.